If you don't like complicated steps but still need your PayPal funds in GCash, then this quick guide is for you. Let's get your money moving fast. Ready? Okay, so here's the deal. You can't send money directly from GCash to PayPal. Sorry, not happening. But you cash in your PayPal funds right into your GCash wallet. Here's how. Step 1. Open your GCash app, tap Profile, then My Linked Accounts. Tap PayPal, hit Link Account, and enter your PayPal email and password. Agree to the terms, and bam, you're linked. Step 2. On the GCash homepage, tap Cash In, choose Global Banks and Partners, then tap PayPal. Enter how much you want to cash in. Minimum 500 pesos, max 100,000. Check the fee, tap Proceed, and confirm with your OTP if needed. Don't forget, your PayPal balance needs to be in pesos. There's a 1% fee, and both accounts have to be verified. Easy, right? Your funds usually arrive instantly, but if not, give it 24 to 48 hours.